When you post on LinkedIn, text alone can feel a little dry, but no worries. Open Dynal.AI and create eye-catching visuals in seconds. To get started, simply click Connect LinkedIn to link your LinkedIn account with Dynal.AI. Next, select Visualize My Post. You'll see a wide range of styles to choose from. We're going with Vibrant. Enter a post you've already thought through. It can be descriptive, reflective, or anything you want to express. Below the input field, you can also choose how many images to generate. Now everything's ready, let your LinkedIn agent get to work. Dynal.AI is your LinkedIn creation agent. It understands your ideas, thinks through the content, logic, and takes action automatically, turning inspiration into high-impact LinkedIn carousels. And just like that, everything's done. You can preview the visuals right away. And if something's not quite right, just click Edit to replace, remove, or rearrange anything until you're satisfied with the final look. All set? Your post is ready. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Paste your content here. And just like that, your post goes live on LinkedIn, ready to grab attention and spark engagement. It's live, right now. From copy to a visual story. This is the power of Dynal.AI. Subscribe to our channel for more.